Lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, flavorful and delicious shrimp pasta that is generously coated with some delectable Alfredo sauce. And yes, lovelies, my secret Alfredo sauce recipe is also given. Now without further ado, let's start making our shrimp pasta with our Alfredo sauce. Okay, lovelies, so the first thing we're going to be doing is to season our shrimp. And to season my shrimp, I enjoy using or like to use some dehydrated Maggi all-purpose season. You can add about 3 to 4 teaspoons. And I'm also going to be adding some oregano leaf. And you know us Jamaican, we add stuff until our ancestors speak, but for your oregano leaf you can use about 1 teaspoon. I am also going to be using some lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, you can go ahead and use some black pepper, and you can use about 1 teaspoon. Yeah, nice coated. And so I also use some garlic powder. You can use about 1 teaspoon. Then once everything is nice and added, all our seasons are added, we're going to mix this in to evenly coat our shrimp. Yes, so this is how they're looking once I add my season and mix them up. And so yeah, then the next thing we're going to be doing, lovelies, is to put this aside and leave it to marinate for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to cover. Now moving on to our next step, which is to prepare our pasta, and we're going to be adding about 4 to 5 cups of water, and it all depends on the amount of pasta that you're going to use. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon salt. Once our water starts boiling, then we can now add our pasta. Yeah, so guys, because my pot is so small, what I normally do is to mix around my pasta until the heat allow it to be flexible and submerge in the water. So if you have a small pot like mine, then you can definitely do this. Alright, lovely, so while our pasta is there doing its thing, we are now going to saute our shrimp for our shrimp pasta. Over medium heat, yeah, you know you have to light up the stove, add your pot. And so we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon butter to melt. You know a good girl like to stir in butter until melted. And if you don't know why I do this, then you need to check out my other videos to find out why. Alright, so once the butter is melted, you can now add your shrimp. Still a stir it. And so yes guys, so now we're going to be adding our shrimp. So lovelies, we don't want to overcook our shrimp, right? So we are going to saute our shrimp on each side for about a minute or less. Alright, or another way to prevent overcooking your shrimp is to saute them until they curl into a C. If they curl into a O, then that's how you know that your shrimp is overcooked. And we definitely don't want to overcook shrimp, right? So C mean cook, O mean overcook. Now, yes, so saute them for a minute or 2. Yeah, give them a turn, a minute or even less on the other side. Then we remove them from our pots. Yes, lovely, so if you reach this far in the video and you don't like up the video yet, we are waiting, man. Just like up the video. Lovelies, we're going to remove them from our pan and hold until we're ready for them to put into our shrimp pasta. And for our next round, we're going to do the same thing, guys. Saute for about 2 minutes and put to hold. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish you could be smelling my kitchen right now. The butter, the herbs, the spices, the aroma. Oh my gosh, this smells so shrimpalicious. Alright, so now lovelies, we're going to dice some onions, some garlic, and some scallion, and also some thyme. Oh lovelies, my apologies, I forgot to let you know that for the saute shrimp, once you remove them, the remaining butter and seasoning that's left in the pot, please do not pour that out, because this is going to be useful for our next plate that's coming up. Alright, we are going to be making our favorite Alfredo sauce. And in the same pot that we did our shrimp in, we're going to melt about 2 to 1.5 tablespoons butter. Once it is heated, we are going to be adding our onions, our garlic, scallion, and also our thyme leaf that we diced earlier, or we rough cut earlier. And we're going to saute them until they are translucent. Yes, lovely. So we're going to give them a little stir until they are nicely translucent. Then guys, I'm going to be adding some evaporated milk. So if you don't have any evaporated milk, another option can be heavy cream. Yes, so you can use heavy cream instead of evaporated milk, but to me I rather using evaporated milk than heavy cream because give it a nice buzzy, a little different nicer flavor to me. All right, now don't forget to check on your pasta, lovelies. These pasta look cooked, so now I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm also going to strain. All right, then we're going to leave it until our Alfredo sauce is through for us to add our pasta. Now heading back over to my Alfredo sauce, it's time for us to add, this is about 1 or 1.5 cup of coconut milk. Yeah, we're gonna add this in, give it a little stir and so, and yes, the scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper and add some oregano leaf. Yeah, add little seasoning to pep up the step, you know. Yeah, give it a nicer flavor and so. Yes guys, so if you want a heavy spice, then you can pluck a hole into your scotch bonnet pepper, but all I wanted was the flavor, so I didn't pop my scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have some parsley. Yes, so I add some parsley, make it go and bubble up and so over medium to low heat. Yes, look at that. Yes, now guys, I'm going to be adding my Parmesan cheese, and if you want to add any additional cheese you can definitely do that, but girl loving Parmesan cheese and so. Yeah, so once I add my Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna mix this in and then leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes to go and do its thing. And as you go along guys, don't forget to taste and adjust your flavor to your liking. Alright, look at that, watch bubble, watch bubble. Oh my gosh, look there. And guys, there you have our creamy Alfredo sauce. Yes guys, this is like the best Alfredo sauce ever, like ever. Yes guys, so now that our Alfredo sauce is ready, we are now going to be adding our pasta. Yeah, add our pasta and so, and we're going to mix this in. Oh, before we mix it in, I'm going to be adding my shrimp that we sauteed earlier. Yeah, add everything, the shrimp juice, the shrimp and everything. Then we're going to mix this in until everything is nicely coated with our Alfredo sauce. Yes guys, if you reach this far in the video, don't forget to like, leave your comment down below. If you're not yet a part of the family, then you need to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know that you're now a part of the family so that I can give you a shout out in the next video. Once I'm mixing everything and I give it about 2 to 3 minutes, then this is how my pasta is looking. Oh my gosh, guys, like, you have to try this. You have to try this. Oh my gosh guys, this was so delicious. Like, it is unexplainable delicious. You all need to try this. Oh, I even forgot to record me eating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more.